Hello everyone, I hope you have a good time. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this picture with Adobe Photoshop. Just the book is my book from my house. I just capture the picture with my mobile phone. So we're going the first time to the Photoshop and click open and getting the book and waiting to opening. So now going to the layer list and click to the look. We need to unlocking it. So going to the folder and getting the picture for replacing at the book page, and now we're just dropping the picture on the space in here. Focus with me and unlocking this picture, so and turning to the first picture and zooming the picture. So going to the list tool and going to the pen tool and click and holding when open the list, getting the curvature pen tool, and now we now just need to making a border to this page, border line. So if you focus, you see the line is curved. To fixing it, just follow me. So now when we're making a border, just clicking here, right click on the mouse and clicking the make selection, and don't change the number, okay? Maybe from your computer have a number 1 or 5 or any number, don't change, okay? Just let. So click to the OK, and now on your keyboard click to the delete or remove, okay, button. So go to the second picture and move the layer to here. So go to the tool list and get the move tool and just move the picture, so resize it, and now press and hold on the keyboard control, so with the mouse you can resizing any size you want the picture. I just resizing the picture to replacing at the page, so I turn to you. And now when we resizing the picture, just moving the layer 1 to under layer number 0, so you see the picture, replace it to the page, add the page, and now just moving, so click right, so click the warp and change the resolution any size you want. So when you finish it, just click here to the true symbol and save this project with tape, JPG, and any folder you want. I just saved in last time I saved the picture, because this you just need to click the save. and when you saved, just go back and close the window. So turn to opening again and getting your saved project or your saved photo. So go to here to unlock to the layer list and get any picture you want to replacing into the right page from the picture. I just getting a new picture just for example, so dropping into the space in here, so unlocking it. So now turning to the first picture and zooming it, and again going to the toolbar list and getting the curvature pen tool and making a border again. I turn to you just when I finishing the border for this page. And now when we make a border, now clicking right and click a make selection and click OK and press the delete button and go to the second picture and get or move the layer to here. So now go to get a moving tool, so resize again. I turn to you just when I'm resizing. So now just move the layer. When you resize it, just move the layer number 1 under number 0 and you see it's replaced at this page. So just move and click right and click the warp, and you can change your replaced picture and you can change the resolution of this picture, any resolution you want. So now when you finish it, click the true symbol and you can saving this project from your computer like JPG tape. So in this video I come and so if you love this review, I wish you just like this video and share for another people. So subscribe to my channel to see more reviews if God will, and next time. So thanks for watching. I wish you a good time. Goodbye.